or
Okay.
you're going to do?
Oh, you want me to say
Yeah.
something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just visited Michael as a curator, right?
Visiting him, yes. So my name is Raquel, and I'm one of the curators for Art Not Places, and we're really thrilled to have Michael Howley's poetry overheard. It's a beautiful way of incorporating these sweet gestures all along 14th Street, an area where oftentimes we don't hear or see all of the beauty we're surrounded by. So he's offering these moments for reflection.
Yeah, I'm reading into the traffic.
You're reading it, but people are stopping and listening to you, aren't they?
Yes, people are, but in the most kind of, as I was saying to Gosha earlier, in the most kind of unobtrusive ways, because my idea in this is really that it's not a projected thing. It's just overheard. You're walking along, you're hearing people on their cell phones, you're hearing people having conversations, you're just overhearing a snatch. So I'm keeping it low key. So last night I was just saying that I turned around and there was somebody, I wasn't even aware of people there on the street. I had my back to the wall like this, and I was a bit out like this, and there's somebody reading over my shoulder. So she said, "Oh, they are poems," and I just handed her the poems, and she read the rest of them.
Wow,
that's kind of what
you switched roles.
That's
beautiful.
And somebody came along, actually, a reporter from the New York Times East Village blog, and she said, "Did I overhear poetry?" And I said, "That's the project."
Right.
So it's been very joyful experience.
That's great. I'm so happy to hear that.
So I'm really happy that you guys, I mean, there's great support. You feel the support, and I've been meeting the artists.
Have artists been passing by?
Yeah.
And have they asked you if you're an Art Not Places artist? Or they just sort of acknowledge your presence, listen, and then kept walking?
Yeah, something. Or just walking by, they're doing their thing. They kind of glance. It's been pretty nice.
Can I overhear some poetry?
Yes, we'll do this in a moment.
This is a poem that grew out of a watercolor that a friend of mine did. It's called Working from Memory. For years you have longed that your parents' house, the home you grew up to, the yard your grandfather carefully brushed so that you could go barefoot, would be yours when they go. Here, in these dancing watercolors. Oh, there's the cell phone.
No.
Oh no!